I'm B. Tom West with Quicksilver Dump Liners and ILoveDumpTrucks.com, and we're talking about new products out on the market for your dump truck. No, we don't always just talk about liners, we talk about things for your dump truck, which you can also get a liner for. What we're going to talk about today is the Roadrunner system by the Godwin Group. What is it? This thing is cool, man. It's this remote. Check this out. I can run it up and down, no driver in the cab, just like that. Now you're sitting there thinking, well, okay, what's the big deal about that? If you're a paving operator and you're on the job site and your load of asphalt comes up and you want to put it down on the pavement, the paving operator can take this in and he can raise it up in the air and allow the amount of asphalt that he wants into the hopper of his paver. Well, what's so big about that? How many times have drivers maybe filled up the paver and flooded it or gotten too much in there? Well, now that burden isn't on the driver, it's on the paving operator. Now, once we get up so high with this thing, we can then release the tailgate. Right here with just a push of a button. And obviously when he wants to close it, push that button. When the box goes down, it'll secure it. One tap of the button, and this baby's going down. Again, you can get this fine item from the Godwin Group, and it's called the Roadrunner. Totally cool. Notice it, so we don't have any kind of fake filming going on. No driver, just a Coke cup. Again, this is B. Tom West with ILoveDumpTrucks.com and Quicksilver Dump Liners talking about things for your dump truck.